This video will demonstrate how to install your ADO Air. First, disassemble the box that was developed after the ADO Lab transport vibration test. Remove the accessory kit and the pump. Remove the ADO Air and store it in the box for your own use later. Cut off the seat tube battery strapped under the body and cut off the protective foam. Unfold the body and lock the clips. Cut off the front and the rear fenders and the protective foam designed to protect the body from scratches. Adjust the seat post battery to the right height and tighten the clips to lock it in place. Open the kit and these are the items inside. Use the corresponding Allen key to unscrew the headset screws. Insert the handlebars into their corresponding positions. Open the handlebar folding clasp, insert the screws you have unscrewed and tighten them. Close the handlebar folding clasp and adjust the handlebar to a vertical position. Once adjusted, tighten the two screws with the corresponding Allen key. When fitting the left and right footrests, make sure they correspond to the R and L letters on the crank. After screwing in, tighten with the corresponding Allen key. Connect the drive system to the battery and press the battery button. Get on the bike and adjust the horizontal angle and vertical height of the handlebars to suit your position. Check the bell, brakes and gauges are working. Press and hold the plus button on the gauges to see if the headlights are working. If there is any problem, please contact us immediately and we'll solve it for you. To install the rear mudguard, remove the screws holding the mudguard in place. Install the rear mudguard with the shorter interface. Insert the rear mudguards into the rear wheel joints and lock them in place with the screws you have just removed. To install the front mudguard, remove the headlight first. Insert the front mudguard into the headlight socket and fasten it together with the headlight with the screws. Don't forget that the charger connector is under the seat tube. After that, you're ready to enjoy the ride.